Alright, so in this one we're going to be looking at the taskbar, how to move stuff around, how to add stuff to it, just how it works in general. So first and foremost, I don't like my taskbar being shown, so I like to have my taskbar hidden. So to do that, I right click, go to taskbar settings here, and it should be somewhere down here, taskbar behavior, and it says automatically hide the taskbar. What that will do, it will move it away and it will give you more vertical space on your screen. Now, when you need to bring it back, all you have to do is go to the activation area, which means simply move your mouse downwards and it will just pop back up. Now, sometimes it doesn't happen when you're in an app because the app is over the desktop. So you might have to, in some cases, go back to desktop and just bring your mouse down and it comes back up. Okay? So that's how you hide your taskbar. Now, as you can see here, I've got some stuff on my taskbar. I've got Chrome, File Manager, the Windows Store, and a few other things. How do you add stuff to taskbar? There are a few ways that you can do this. Now, Windows 10 is slightly different from Windows 11. But the way it's done, let me actually remove this. This is Audacity. So let's actually unpin from taskbar first. The way I add it, after you've installed something, go to Start menu, find the thing that you've installed. Sometimes it could be here, but if it's not on this list here, go up to all apps and all apps, and you should see it on this list here. Okay. Now you simply right click, go to more, and then go to pin to taskbar, and it's going to add it wherever there's space, and in most cases it's going to be by the end. So pin to taskbar, and that's it. There we have it. Now, some of you guys coming from Windows 10, you might think that there's a quicker way to do this, which was to go to Start, find the app you want, and simply drag it and drop it onto the taskbar. But that, for some reason, doesn't work anymore. So you do have to use the way I showed you previously, okay? Next, I'm going to show you guys how to arrange stuff on your taskbar. Now, for me personally, the two things I use most are Chrome and my file browser, okay? So I always want those two things first, and I always have video editor, audio editor, right? So let me put Audacity back, pin to taskbar. Let's do it that way, right? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this around. So let's just say I had this in a random way. This is how I had it. To move stuff around, you simply left click on the thing you want to move and hold it down. So left click and hold. You're going to drag it to where you actually want it. Chrome is always first for me because I use Chrome the most, then my file browser. I'm going to put this very last because this is the thing I use the least. So Microsoft Store, again, left click and drag to the right, and you'll see stuff start moving. When it's in the location you want it to be in, simply let go of the left click, and that's it. They're in place. And whenever you restart or log out and log back in, they should be in exactly the same place. So that's how you move stuff on the taskbar. Now, finally, you might be wondering, where is everything on my taskbar? I've hidden stuff I don't really use. So to do that, again, right click on the taskbar itself, go to taskbar settings, and at the very top here we go, we have search, I've turned off, task view, I've turned off, widgets, I've turned off. So let's turn everything back on. Then let's go back to the taskbar, and as you can see, let me minimize this, everything is back there, right? But I never use any of these items whatsoever, so I don't like having them there. So again, right click, taskbar settings, and to turn them off or to hide them, simply click this toggle button here. So it says on for search. Let's click that to go make it go off. Task view off, widgets off, and chat off. I think chat is actually Teams, and I never use Teams except for work, and I prefer the web version, so I'll never use this version here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. More videos incoming.